In this video, we are going to install CoLight's dual beam white and yellow fog light pods. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. 3.2 inches wide, 2.8 inches tall, and 3 inches deep. With the bracket installed, it becomes 3.7 inches tall. Has a nice HD lens design and a tangent lens design. The white spot beam color temperature is at 5700 kelvins, and it can throw at approximately 750 meters distance. It has a 15 watt white LED chip and is rated at 1600 lumens. You have your yellow wide beam with a color temperature of 3000 kelvins. It is a 45 watt LED chip and rated at 4800 lumens. Made of 6063 aluminum alloy. It is IP68 waterproof and does have an external independent decoder. It does come with stainless steel brackets along with your nuts and bolts. So the first thing I want to do is install these brackets. Here it is with the brackets installed. To make my wiring easier, I'm going to go ahead and attach these connectors to the ends of the wire. So this is how it looks, ready for wiring. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So this is where I plan to mount the lights, these lights. I don't want to drill a hole here, so I went ahead and bought these mounting brackets. You simply slide them on and then bolt it into place. First, I'm going to mount these brackets onto the light. That's how it looks mounted on. Now I'm going to go ahead and feed that through. And go ahead and put it into place. Make sure that's where I want it. That's how it looks mounted. Now we're going to go ahead and repeat the steps on the other side. So I went ahead and fed the wire through. In front of the bumper. And I fished it out through here. So here it is. So this is only a 2-wire harness. I'm gonna have to fish another one out, and then I'm gonna split it so it can go to the other side as well, because this one has 3. Alright, so now that I got the 3 wires out, I'm just gonna go ahead and connect them black to black. Right, red to red, and the white to the other red. This is for my yellow light. There it is. So I zip tied all these wires together. I'm gonna go ahead and hide the wires behind the bar and then zip tie it. That way it doesn't move around. Alright, so I fed the wires through. This is the left light and this is the right light. I went ahead and purchased a splitter, a Y connector. I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. This is so I can connect both lights and then just plug it into one switch. Alright, so that's how it looks connected. So it doesn't have a covering here, so you want to make sure you cover this up with maybe liquid tape or electrical tape, just so you can avoid corrosion. Now all I have to do is connect this to my switch. So here it is wired, two separate switches for two different colors. This red and black here is for the white, and this is for the yellow. We have both sides now complete. That's how they look. Let's go ahead and turn them on. We have the yellow, your white spot beams, and both white and yellow on. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.